Understanding, it's a windy day, an English phrase explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that you might hear often, it's a windy day. This phrase is not just about the weather, but it can also help you in understanding context, connotations, and the use of English in everyday life. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this simple yet intriguing phrase. Firstly, let's break down the phrase, "It's a windy day," to its most basic meaning. This sentence is typically used to describe the weather condition where there is a lot of wind. Wind refers to the natural movement of the air, especially the movement of the air outdoors that causes leaves to rustle, flags to flutter, and sometimes even hats to fly off. It's a straightforward observation about the environment. Now, let's explore how this phrase is a part of descriptive language in English. Descriptive language is used to give more details and paint a picture in the listener's mind. By saying, "It's a windy day," the speaker is not just stating a fact about the weather. They are also setting a scene. This can evoke images of trees swaying, hair blowing in the wind, or even the sound of wind chimes. It's a way to bring the listener into the experience. Understanding the context is key in English. The phrase, "It's a windy day," can imply different things based on the situation. For instance, if someone says this before going out, it might be a reminder to dress appropriately or to secure loose items. In a different context, like during a sports event, it might explain why a game is more challenging. The phrase can also be used metaphorically, like in a conversation about change, indicating a shift in conditions or moods. In different English-speaking cultures, this phrase can have variations and might appear in popular media, like songs, poems, or stories, often to describe more than just the weather. For example, in a poem, a windy day could symbolize change, turbulence, or freedom. Recognizing these cultural references helps in understanding the depth and beauty of English expressions. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, "It's a windy day," and how English can be rich in meaning beyond the literal words. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about expression, culture, and context. Keep exploring and enjoying the journey of learning English. See you in the next video.